this is Jackie again with Jackie of All Trades. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It's so good to see each and every one of you today. We have finally arrived. We are at the final reveal on my brand new kitchen, and I know you're all anxious to see it. Before we get started, I just wanted to ask you, if you like this video, please do go ahead and give it a thumbs up because that helps me with the YouTube matrix. Also, if you've been around here 2 or 3 times, it is time for you to subscribe to my channel because you know we're vibing, and you can be guaranteed I put out more content just like this, so you will not be disappointed. And I can't wait to see what you guys say in the comments below because I know it's going to be some interesting discussions down there. Please do go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll make sure that I get right back to you. In today's video, we are going to go through the final reveal on my kitchen. I know a number of you have been waiting on this, and so I have also been looking forward to this day, believe me. So we'll start with a few before pictures and then I'll take you gradually through the progression to get you there. It's going to be more like a diary style today, maybe a video blog, but I do hope you enjoy the content. To kick us off, let's start with a moment when my then teen daughter, Joanne, gave me a chastisement for filling up the sink with dishes. Of course, I'm only showing you this to show you the shallow sink we started with, okay? Let's watch.
See, we gonna have to talk about this. I literally just cleaned the dishes. Why are there so many dishes already back in the sink, Mom? How? Like, how? Oh my gosh. Am I gonna have to start getting on you when you're drinking your stuff and eating your stuff in your room to take down your plates? This is not okay. I love you.
So here's my crappy kitchen, right? We got these navy blue Formica, like plasticky laminate countertops. This is all just cheaply made. It's even chipped and broken here. I need to replace this hood range. I'm trying to research how best to do that. I don't like this. Look at that. See, it's tight against there, and then there's a big gap across here. I can't stand that. This color on the walls is just, it's horrible. There's some pipes up there and also air ducts that circulate air through the house. So I started to put a paper up here. So I just started that because I'm gonna try to turn it into a feature to make it look like I did it on purpose, even though, yeah, it's crappy. And over here, the fridge is new, that I had to remove the doors because the fridge actually was just a hair too tall, and with the doors on, it wouldn't fit. It's dark, there's no light switch here. So I bought new mirrors that are gonna go on the wall in here, really large. And then I'm gonna replace also this headlight. And I have somebody coming Thursday to remove this big light and give me the more modern recessed light. So, I started putting the doors on the cabinet, you know, just so I can get a look to get me some inspiration so that I can keep going because I'm like a weekend and this task is arduous. And so I thought maybe I should record that because you guys probably want to see it. Here, as a reminder for you, this is the old cabinet set. That's what the doors look like. Okay, and I have been updating them to shaker style. Right now, I've put in one door. This is what it's gonna look like when it's finished, okay? I've got the hardware and stuff all picked out, so I'm about to put that on here as well, but I thought you guys might like to watch me put this together. these cabinets are almost finished. I need to finish doing some sanding and some painting because this face didn't turn out exactly like I wanted it to. But you know, I priced new cabinets and they're like $12,000 and I don't have the money for that. So I decided I was just gonna reface these on my own and put money into getting the countertops. I painted this. I really need to clean that area up there. Even this is like wallpaper. It's not even real wood because this duct work, that was another $6,000 or $5,000 if I wanted to even out the ceiling with a post, or about $12,000 if I wanted to make it even, you know, that was seamless and no post with a beam. So look, so I've got like 3 levels. I've got level number 1 ceiling here, level number 2, and then level number 3 right there. I got tired of the 3 levels, so I covered this one in like a faux wood wallpaper. Now, when you walk in, you don't really even notice. It looks like a beam. I built it out over there to make it look like a beam. And now I'm taking all of my cabinets, I'm taking down the doors, and I'm refacing them and putting them back up. This is my little shop where I take the door down, I put the piece on, glue it. You see I've clamped it down in places. That's from yesterday, so I can remove those clamps today. But here, I did this last night, and over on this side here, it's all done. So it's like when I finish, it'll look painted out and it'll look like that this was designed this way, but it really wasn't. I put the face on and then I painted it out. And so I've done that over here on this side as well, but that's painted. That's not yet painted, so I'm working on that. So I just put that on yesterday and glued it down. Then I'll paint that. This whole thing is getting a new coat of paint. It's called Toasted Almond. I know it's a little hard to see the color in this light, but I'm gonna paint it. Then the new countertop will be on. So if you can kind of imagine this look that's happening today with the new counter and the floor and the beam and the new cabinets, I think it's gonna be beautiful. You guys are working miracles, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.